Watch this video and learn how to draw a spiky cactus plant. Later in the video, Bunny has a dance break. And watch to the end because Artie takes a potty break. Ooh! Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone! It's Artie's show!
Yeah!
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie. Artie.
Oh, hello, little artists.
Hello, Artie. You didn't see us.
Yeah.
Should we do a drawing today?
Oh, Artie would love to do that. Yes, please. Oh, yeah.
Hello, little artists!
Hey kids, how's it going?
What should we draw today, Artie?
I didn't really think about it.
You know that cactus in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Well, why don't we draw that?
Oh, yeah. That's a really good idea. Okay, Artie will draw that. Thank you.
Get ready to draw with my favorite artist, Artie!
Let's draw two little straight lines down. Oh, Artie, let's get another cactus next time we're out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Then our cactus in the kitchen can have a friend. Now let's draw a horizontal line all the way across.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Thank you, Bobby. Okay, we have the top part of the plant pot drawn. Now let's do the angled lines coming down, one on the left.
It's a lovely day to create some art.
Sure is.
And an angled line coming down on the right. And then, of course, let's connect them together at the bottom with a straight line going right the way across. Let's add a stripe, just for decoration. Oh, here comes Barry. Hi, Barry.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, that's cool. You're a cool cat. Cool cat. Cool cat.
Thanks, Barry. Don't call us, we'll call you. Okay, Artie, let's add two more stripes. And then one in the middle, all the way across. Great.
Oh, it's time for a dance break.
Let's see if Bunny wants to do one.
Yeah.
We'll finish the drawing later.
Yeah, we come back to drawing later.
Yeah, we have plenty of time.
Dance break?
Dance break.
Yay! Dance break! Dance break! Yeah!
Dancing is fun.
Are you dancing, little artists?
Oh, Marvellous. Exquisite, actually. Exquisite. I give it a 10. 10 for sure, 10.
Oh, dance break.
Bunny did a great job.
Yeah.
She's so cute.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Artie, let's finish the drawing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Let's draw a big oval shape sticking out of the plant pot. This is one of the parts of the cactus. Coming up, Artie takes a potty break. It's disgusting. Now, Artie, let's draw a second oval beside the first one. Great job. Let's add a third one in the middle at the top. Very good. Now we're going to add a few smaller ones. Did you know that cactuses have spines? The little spiky bits?
Oh, Artie didn't know that. Oh,
Yes, we're going to draw them in a minute.
okay.
That's good, Artie. Perhaps a couple more right at the top, just to give it some height. Oh yes, this is looking very, very good.
Artie needs something.
Oh, what do you need, Artie?
Artie needs potty break.
You need a potty break?
Yeah, potty break.
Okay.
Artie, go potty.
Yes, of course you can.
Okay. No.
Other way. Do you feel better now?
Okay, Artie, good now.
Oh, good.
Back to drawing.
Let's add the spiky spines. We're just going to draw lots and lots of tiny little short lines poking out from the cactus. Let's add lots of them, Artie. It really gives it texture and makes the drawing look very detailed. Oh, here comes Bunny. Hi, Bunny.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Hi. Artie, that drawing is so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Helping out now, Artie. Stay creative.
Bye.
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 Ah, it's always nice when Bunny comes to visit.
Yeah.
Now, Artie, add some more of those little lines inside the cactus. That's it. We're making it look spiky and hairy.
Harry?
Well, they're not really hairy, but you know what I mean. You've got to be really careful if you ever touch a cactus, because they are pretty sharp, those little spikes. Are you finished, Artie?
I'm finished.
It looks great, but does it need something else?
Yeah,
Some colour?
I think it needs some color. Yay!
Some color would make this even better.
Artie finished.
Oh, you did a really good job, Artie.
Artie did a good job.
Yes, you did. I love those colours.
Oh, really nice.
Are you happy with the results?
Yes, very happy.
Me too.
See you next time.
We'll see you again soon.
What a great show! Remember, always stay in tune with your imagination and always stay in tune. Ah!
Oh boy, that was fun. So much fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye.